Rosie. Welcome to Code Fun. It's good to see you. Come on, let's sing. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pēhea koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Digi? Digi! Where are you? Come on out, Digi. Oh, gee, I wonder where Digi is.
Kia ora.
Wait. What? If you're there, Digi, then who's in the box? Oh no. Fluffy? I think it's the neighbour's cat.
Oh, where? What happened to the cat?
No, Digi, that's not the neighbour's cat. That's a box. The cat is under the box.
Ah.
Oh, don't worry, Digi. I've got this. Back soon.
Okay, see you soon.
Ka-chink, ka-chink, ka-dunk-dunk-dunk-dunk-dunk-dunk.
Rosie?
Yeah?
Kei te aha koe? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm pretending to be a crane and lift heavy boxes.
Ha! Kei te ngāhau te āhua. Can you show me how to do that?
Sure. Oh, I might need some help though. Will you help me show Digi how to be a crane and lift boxes? Ka rawe! If you want to see Digi be a crane, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know what to do until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Okay, first of all, stand with your feet apart. Okay, now put your arms straight out. This is called the boom. Now make a hook with your finger. That's it. Now lower the hook down. Lift up the box. And swing the hook around. And release the box. Ka-chink! Hey! You lifted a box! You're really good at following instructions. Are you ready to show Digi? Cool! Okay, Digi. First of all, stand with your feet apart. Great. Now put your arm straight out. Great. All right, now make a hook with your finger. Are you joining in? Great. Okay, Digi. Now lower the hook, so bend over. And lift up the box. Ka-choop. Okay, now swing it around. Cool. Now release the box. Ka-chink. Zzz.
Oh!
Cat pie, Digi. Great job, my robot friend. I whakatutuki koe. You did it. You helped me code Digi so we could all be big, tall cranes together. Thanks, e hoa. Ka-chink. Zzz.
Ah, moo!
There. Oh, hi. Do you know who I'm pretending to be? I'm wearing a hard hat and a tool belt, and I build stuff. I'm a builder, and I know a really fun building game we could play together. It's called If and Then. For this game, I'll be the programmer who gives the instructions, and you can be the robot who follows what I say. Come on, find a clear space with lots of room to play. Now first I need some coloured circles. Cool. All right, here are the instructions. If you see a red circle, then you need to pretend to hammer a nail. And if you see a white circle, then you need to pretend to saw a piece of wood. Have you got it? Great! We're ready to play. Hit it! Oh, red! That's the hammer. Keep watching to see when the circle changes. Oh, white! Sawing our wood. Oh, red! Hammer! What are you building? I'm building a house. Oh, white! Saw. Oh, red! Hammer! Ow! Oh! I hammered my thumb! Careful of your fingers. Oh, one more should do it. Ah! I built my house. That was fun. You're really good at following instructions and being a robot. Oh! Digi thinks you're a great robot too. We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. It was great hanging out with you. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi. Oh, Digi's come to say goodbye too.
Hey, Rosie. I've come to join in.
Come on. Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano. Or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. See you again next time.
Ka kite.